I absolutely love talking about AMS Landscaping's mission and core values. We are strong believers here that we should make yards enjoyable for our clients. We want you to just sit back and relax, not think of your yard as a chore. We want to make your life easier so you're spending more time with your family, with your friends, and not exasperated by the chores and duties of having to deal with getting the yard in tip-top shape each week. Really, that's the mindset of where we're headed. That's really our mission, and our values is how we get there. Really, I just want to talk about our values so they mean so much to me. The first value to me, it's just so at the core of who I am, is just being positive and responsive. I love positive energy, and I really want everyone on the team to have that energy and to feed off that energy. Be just super responsive. That's been key to our growth. It's been key to just, we always get the great feedback of like, I love that I can get a hold of you guys. That has been a key element for us and who we are. And really that's why our first value is being just positive and responsive. Our second value is just keeping our promises. We really want to keep that commitment that we say we're going to do what we're going to do and just over communicate that. We love to send out emails the week before the service, letting you know which day we're going to be on site, asking if you use any requests. Then upon completion, we literally have a checklist of all the items that we're completing on the job site. And then we're checking out, and that minute that we leave your property, that email is sent out so you know exactly what's included. It's just our way of just being over communicating so that we can make certain that we're delivering on the promises that we initially have communicated that with you in the beginning with the agreement. Our third is demonstrating respect. We really just want to hold our clients at high regard. I always tell my team, we are always on an interview when we're at a client's house. We want to treat our treat our clients at our tip-top, best foot forward shape. And we want to be respectful and kind and just empathetic to our clients and hopefully to get that same reciprocation from our clients as well. Number four is we just want to exceed expectations. This is the little things that really stand out. We want to make sure that the hose is rolled up if it's kind of messy, or if we have to move lawn furniture out of the way to mow the grass, we want to make sure we move the lawn furniture back. We want to put doormats back if we were blowing the back patio and it got moved around a little bit. Just the little added touches we want to make sure that we're doing, and really that's a focus on how we really want to just stay on top of just, those little touches that clients really love. And the last and final one, just taking ownership, just owning up to when things happen and to take responsibility and take ownership of the property, take ownership of the condition of the yard, take ownership of everything from the equipment to the trucks to everything inside and out. We just have an extreme ownership mentality here at AMS Landscaping. And really that's been key for us and how we grow. And we hope that, this is something that you see value in, because this is how we put our best foot forward. So if you have any other questions, feel free to contact us. My name is Eli Hall with AMS Landscaping. Our website is azlawns.com. Also check us out on Instagram and Twitter at AZLawns, and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel at AMS Landscaping. Make it a great day.